What is up, guys? Say hi.
Hi.
So today we are going to do an oil change real quick, right, Mama? To this beast. Oh fuck. I mean, oh damn. Need to help me? Here, take it off. Go. So just bring my tool right here. You know what I'm saying? Well, I'm gonna pull it to the front. So let's turn this girl on real quick. Do a quick cold start right now. Alright, so this is what I'm going to be using today. Motul. I think that's how you say the name. And then my fucking Motorcraft filter. And this guy right here. It got here. Yo! Hey, that's it, dog. That's it. You good? What's up, G?
What's up, boy? So,
What are we doing today?
You want to do my exhaust after the thing? I just gotta take the fucking the belly panel.
Okay, cool.
Just unclip it and that's it. Just
We got it then.
tighten up the cat and that's it.
Alright, cool. Alright, guys. So for real, that step one is jacking up the car.
You put it in the right spot?
Yeah, I put it in the right spot. I hope. I got it in the G spot.
Oh my god, G spot.
Yes, sir.
Damn.
Yeah, so yeah, you gotta lift up the car. Make sure you have the e-brake on. Oh yeah, I like that position. Oh, what? I mean, oh yeah, just keep lifting up.
Well, do it again.
Alright. Oh, you fuck. Next step. You get the oil pan. Oh, you see, not this shit. Put this shit over there. Alright, there you go. Look at the bolt. Got the filter right here. And the filter. Alright, let's get to it. Alright.
Big ass balls.
It is not a fucking 14. I thought it was a 14.
What is it then?
It's probably 15. Right here. There you go.
Somebody said I don't think we're in good condition for that gold.
Oh shit.
You ready? All that lube.
Oh!
Oh yeah, daddy. Damn, that shit was warm as fuck. They put the bolt in now. What the fuck?
Oh, here.
Oh, that's fucking. Oh my god. Oh, Brandon's on the 710.
Oh yeah. For some of you guys that don't know, this car takes 5.7 quarts. So that's why I got this one and the small one. Alright, so now we just put it in.
Okay, but
There you go. It should be pretty tight.
Eddie, we're gonna use brake pads?
Huh?
Brake pads?
If we have time?
Brandon said if we can do that, if we can do this.
Alright. Did you just fucking taste the oil, bro?
It tastes like a fucking Ford.
Hey man, no, wait. We're gonna do the oil filter right now.
Oh shit, yeah, you're right, huh?
Alright. So now, is that position door?
Is that good?
Yeah. Usually I could take it over my hand.
It looks like it's budging.
Slowly, because it has oil. There you go. Oh, just let it drip for a bit. There you go. Yeah. You got it?
Yeah.
You
already told everybody in the block?
What up, Tony?
You already told him?
So he showed up? No.
already told him?
No.
Big news?
But we got big news though. We do have big news. There's Nick right there. What up, man?
What's up, man?
So we do got big news.
You
Want an announcement? Oh, we're gonna announce it. Oh wait, what? Oh no, we haven't.
Page. You have it
announced
on the page now?
Yeah, dude. So
Look
the
at
news
that.
is we got 2 sponsors already. Oh, you can't focus it very well, but it's right there.
2 sponsors: Bulletproof Coating and R1 Concepts.
Hell yeah. Sick. So we took it off.
And then I go in.
Yo, what the? Yo, you can't do that, bro.
No, I'm right here.
Yeah. So we're gonna put this oil filter. Hey.
You gotta lube it, bitch?
Yeah, so gotta lube, right? So what you do is, fuck it, I just go like this. Just put oil around this little rubber piece. And then yeah, screw it on. Yeah, screw that on. Screw that on.
You gonna take it to O'Reilly?
Yeah, slowly.
I'll toss oil on top of you.
Well, you know, like I said, you just grab it and just like fucking open it and just like that, right? That's how you do the oil change, right?
Huh?
That's how you do oil change, right?
What's
We just open it and you just start going like that.
I saw it on a video, yeah. Some like car girl. You want me to do it right now?
Yeah, dude.
She was fucking amazing, dude. She was smart as fuck.
Oh yeah, do it
She
right
just
now.
went.
I heard she was a Honda owner, by the way.
Yeah.
Actually, I think she was oiling a BMW or a Mustang, you know?
Okay, it was a
Oh,
Beamer.
So you can't open it?
I just don't want to spill it all over.
I'll spill it. Alright, so we're done. Woo! Now, all we do, we'll just lower this bitch now. Alright, and that's how you do oil change.
Oh, fucking right, sir.
Oh, what's up, Juan? I didn't even see you there, bro.
what's up, bro?
I didn't even see you, bro.
Jack this bitch up.
Oh,
First one?
I already cut myself so many times.
there you
I think it
go.
was there.
So,
I guess the clamp wasn't fucking tight on.
it's cut.
It's hard looking for it because then after that,
You see that?
exhaust was-
There you go. That's why.
you see it?
Yeah, so I guess they didn't do it right. Alright, so we're gonna try to get this fixed.
So we're back at the Subversive house. There goes Adrian, Tony, Nick, and there goes the gay president. I mean the president. Sorry. Eddie. There goes his car right there. So, would you have something to say to Eddie? Why do you keep? He keeps touching me. I don't know why.
Stop being a weirdo then. Alright.
Oh wait, what? Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Take off your banner.
Ah, I guess I gotta take it off. There goes my car. So,
On the vlog. He's being a homo on the vlog.
so basically, this guy right here has an exhaust leak.
Oh, you gay.
But what the fuck? Fucking fag.
That was fucking you, I saw
So I got it. Alright, so obviously we had to loosen these two bolts. So basically what we do is just this is a down pipe right here. All you have to do is just slide this in like that. So you guys can see it like that.
Like that.
And that's about it. And then we fix that exhaust leak. I know Hondas are weird. I never did this before. So we're gonna do a test right now real quick. We're gonna do a real There you go, boy. It used to make a sound right here, a mean ass sound, but not anymore. So everything's good. We good now, bro. So I just have to put this back in and we're good. Cool, we'll see you in a bit. Alright. So we're done already. He has no exhaust leak. You're welcome.
Thing on the other side.
That's why.
Alright. Later, guys. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, you
Look,
didn't
what
play
happened.
soccer?
Look what Brandon's stupidity did. Brandon got me fucking cut.
I know, dude, you got
too?
me cut.
Fucking idiot. See, you
I
cut
said,
it.
bro, I'm turning email.
I'm gonna try and pull up and see if they're.
Alright, so
Oh, and then right now we're about to go to goals.
no, we're not gonna
And-
go to goals. We're gonna go to a Southgate Park so we can play soccer.
No,
'Cause
it's
we're
goals.
broke.
It's called goals.
Yeah, but we're broke to pay $5.
Also, we're not gonna play at goals,
No.
10 minutes.
but we're gonna play at we're around it.
Tell them we're leaving. Who's that?
Cause we're gonna go against
Tell them we're leaving right now.
exclusive rollers and barely legal. Hopefully we come out. Well, we are gonna come out on top, and we look what we drive. Easy win. Easy win. That's probably the best attacker on the group right there.
Oh yeah, that one right there. Alright, cool. So I guess we're gonna go play soccer.
What's up, everyone? So we're back. We finished just playing soccer right now. We're here at In-N-Out. So this is the homie Adrian, Eddie, and we got our homie with the Camaro right here. SS with 4 stars. Our homie Tony.
Just got done playing soccer. Got the homie. Got this homie right here. You guys a Camaro? Yeah.
That's his height too. 2'1". That's his height too. 2'1".
So we're just waiting for our food now.
There you go. I know that.
Look at that. Where's your food at?
Oh, I got a 4x4. It's gonna be bigger.
LOL. LOL.
We're right here, In-N-Out, Southgate.
Yeah, like we out here eating.
It's been a good week so far.
No, I'm just kidding.
It's been a good week so far. It's been a good week.
Nah, it's been a whack week. Wow, bro.
What does the fry taste like? Taste it? Taste the fry? You're saying grace. You ate first.
No, he got the first bite.
They're both saying grace. Grab hands. Say grace.
Oh, you hold his hand, bro. Fuck, dude.
Dear Lord, I'd like to thank you for this wonderful meal today we have here with Team Subversive and myself.
What happened?
I also want to thank you, God, for the D8s and boosted 4-cylinder cars. Without them.
He's not even boosted. Oh yeah, keep going.
And yeah, let's eat.
Yeah. Amen. Yeah, dude, you guys didn't listen. I fucking
It's
listened.
just a prank, bro. Chill, we heard it. Chill.
Alright, man, let's eat.
Say it again.
It's just a prayer.
It's just a prank, bro. Damn.
Damn, much. What the fuck is that?
I'm a turtle, fool.
Oh my god.
No, you're supposed to say, I like turtles. I like turtles.
Yeah, only SI owners.
Yeah, that's why I drive a Honda.
Yeah, that's why you beat that V8 on.
Damn.
Yeah.
And on third gear. That's it. Take off my banner.
Yeah, take off your banner.
Take off my banner.
Wow. Fucking. Fucking fail, dog. Let me see that shit. God damn, fucking Mustang drivers, bro.
Fuck Ford.
What?
Huh? Yeah, fuck Ford.
Wow, dude. Alright, guys, let's eat.
Take off your banner.
Fuck you. Alright. Alright, so.
We're done.
We're done.
In and out.
Yeah, so we're gonna call it a night because we're tired as fuck. We just played soccer and then we ate In-N-Out.
Yeah.
And then
choice, but
yeah, fuck it.
we gotta eat.
Hold on, let me show these guys the Camaro though. It's just dope as fuck. Oh well, they turned off the lights, so fuck it. We're just calling that right here. All right, later, man.
Every motherfucking day, I work hard,